Hi everyone and welcome to another Qigong practice. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple Qigong exercise that you can practice to make your lower back stronger and more supple. The exercise is easy to learn and do and suitable for beginners. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin today's practice. Stand up nice and tall. Relax your whole body. Begin by swinging the torso to the left and right. The hands are relaxed and naturally follow the body. Keep your lower back relaxed and your knees slightly bent. Do this for 1 minute. This exercise helps to gently warm up and massage the muscles of the back. Breathe naturally, relax and simply enjoy the movement. When you're finished, relax your hands by the side and come back to center. Next, take a nice deep inhale through the nose, raise both hands up, exhale, lower them down. And place both hands on the lower back. Inhale and gently push the lower back forward, not too far. Be mindful of your own body. Then exhale and lean forward. Keep your back nice and flat. Inhale again, slide down at the back of the legs. And then come to the front and slowly raise up. Finish the movement at the stomach. Repeat this 6 times. Remember to breathe naturally. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Inhale and push forward. Exhale down. Inhale as you slide down the back of the legs. Exhale, come up. When you've finished, relax the hands by the side and notice how your body feels. Your back should feel nice and relaxed.